A British-American outpost in Tunisia. There's a dogfight as Nazi dive bombers launch an attack to dislodge the Allies from hard-won African airfields. One after another, Nazi planes plummet to earth. On the slopes of the Atlas Mountains, American forces are poised for the opening round in the battle to join ranks with Montgomery's 8th Army. United States and British tank destroyers blasting at point-blank range. Only a few hundred yards away, Nazi panzers are halted by the terrific fire. Some of the Nazis, beaten off in their first real battle with American troops, surrender. A war of attack and counterattack, with United Nations forces pushing doggedly on. Not far away, advance units of the British 8th Army enter Tripoli, metropolis of Libya. Climax of a drive that chased the Nazis 1,300 miles in 13 weeks. Today, the monument to the wolf that suckled the twin founders of Rome looks down upon victorious British tanks. Scene of official surrender. General Montgomery receives the Italian governor, his Lord Mayor, and Chief of Police. With the Union Jack flying over Libya, General Montgomery is not one to rest on his laurels. Riding through the city that once was the pride of Mussolini's colonial empire, General Montgomery pushes on to join the Americans and the British First Army in the fight for Tunisia. Already his tanks are on the move toward the final battle for North Africa.